So you're carrying a shalwar kameez and which is Pakistani dress. So how you feel to wearing it?
No, I like wearing it. I actually really like wearing Asian clothes.
In UK you don't wear it.
No, I do.
So how many girls are get jealous from you?
Oh, don't ask.
So what's your dream in your life?
Is to open my own flying school here in Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yes. जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं देखा, जम्मा नहीं.
मौले नु मौला ना मारे तो मौला नहीं मरना.
I can't say that.
वेलकम टू आवर चैनल हैप्पी पाकिस्तान. आपने हमारा चैनल अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन पर. शी इज़ अ कैमरा शाय. अभी इन्होंने मुझे ऑफ रिकॉर्ड बताया और ये पाकिस्तान से नहीं है, ये किसी और कंट्री से आई हैं, किसी और देश से आई हैं. लिटरली एक बात बताऊँ तो मार्केट में बहुत कम हसीन लड़कियाँ आज आई हैं और ये उनमें से एक है. सो इनसे बात करते हैं. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम.
यू नो उर्दू और नॉट?
I can speak a little bit.
लिटिल बिट. कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ी थोड़ी चलेगी आज.
I'll do a little bit of English and a little bit of Punjabi as well.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
UK. So कब से यहाँ पे हैं आप?
It's been 3 weeks now.
3 weeks now. For Eid you just came here or no, or what?
No, I've come for a bit of business.
Business. Okay. Which business you are doing?
Well, I'm actually training to be a pilot at the moment.
Training of
to be a
which
pilot.
type?
Pilot.
Pilot. So basically your background is pilot. Okay. Zabardast. Wow. Interesting. Very interesting. So you have any organization or what?
Yes, we actually teach flying in the UK.
Okay.
So anybody who wants to become a pilot, PPL, which is a private pilot's license, or commercial, we teach them. We've got our own business there, which is called Cranfield Flying School.
That's interesting. So you're carrying a shalwar kameez and which is Pakistani dress. So how you feel to wearing it?
No, I like wearing it. I actually really like wearing Asian clothes.
In UK you don't wear it.
No, I do.
You do?
I do wear
Seriously,
it.
you do?
Yes, I do wear it there as well.
Okay. So what Farangi said when you wear this dress? Like,
In the UK,
Yeah.
I've got a good community there, and we do try to wear it quite a bit. We try as much as we can.
so you like this dress, Pakistani culture?
Of course, yes,
Okay.
definitely.
What you most like in Pakistan and Pakistani culture, Pakistani food?
Sorry?
In Pakistani food or Pakistani culture, so what you most like?
Definitely the clothes.
The clothes. Oh la la. So you're wearing the jhumkas as well on
Yes.
here? So what's the inspiration behind this hair color?
To be honest, it's not hair colour. It's actually my own natural hair.
God damn it, bro.
Yes, it definitely is my own.
Natural?
A lot of people do ask me, and I always say to them, no, it's my own hair. It is actually my own hair.
जबरदस्त. अब वो इस्लामाबाद में यहाँ पे एक सैलून है जहाँ पे वो लोग ऐसे बाल खुद करते हैं. लाइक कलर लड़कियाँ लेती हैं ऐसे कलर्स के लिए.
A lot of people have actually approached me and asked me that what colour, where did you get it from? But I said, no, it's naturally my own.
That's why I'm asking you कि where are you getting it from?
Yeah, no, it's natural, all natural. So ladies,
It's natural. So हमने कभी गरूर नहीं किया. It's natural. So how many girls are get jealous from you?
oh, don't ask.
So please, I want to know.
No, I'm not going to answer that because there are lots of people who obviously think that I dyed it and I haven't. So I can't really say,
Okay. That's up to you. If you don't want to share with us, that's okay. I'm not forcing you. Okay, what's your hidden talent? Like you're singing, poetry, something like this.
I like having a little dance.
अब मैं इनसे ये तो
I'm
नहीं
not
कहूँगी
going to be doing that because
इसके अलावा
no, well, I'm training to be the pilot, so hopefully that's going to be my talent that I'm going to go into.
younger age.
Sorry?
You're very young.
No.
What's your age?
I can't tell you that. It's a secret.
That's a secret. But आप कर सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं.
No, I can't tell that. I can't tell my age, sorry.
Okay, your smile is very attractive and you have dimple on your cheeks as well.
Thank you very much.
So people normally लोग क्या compliment देते हैं, dimple queen or what?
Yes, and I'm called Queen Bee.
Cool.
My name I use is Queen Bee.
How interesting and how cute it is, yaar. Cool.
Queen Bee.
Cool Queen Bee. Okay, cool Queen Bee. So I'm here with the Queen Bee. Cool Queen Bee. That's interesting. Very nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Hope you have a good Ramzan and Eid.
Yeah, exactly. So you will spend here in Pakistan?
Yes, of course. Yeah.
With
Definitely.
relatives or friends or what?
With family.
With family. So, okay. When you're going back to UK?
I don't know yet. I've got an open ticket, so I have no idea.
Okay, ठीक है. I'll give you a dialogue in Punjabi. So अब थोड़ा सा सुनना चाहूँगी, ठीक है? Yeah, that will be more funable. So that's why I'm saying this. जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं देखा वो जमा ही नहीं.
Say again.
जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं देखा वो जमा ही नहीं.
जिन्हें लाहौर नहीं देखा जमा नहीं.
मौले नु मौला ना मारे तो मौला नहीं मरना.
I can't say that.
This is the last thing.
I can't do it.
जिन्हें sorry मैं खुद भूल गई क्या था. मौले नु मौला ना मारे तो मौला नहीं मरता.
Mola something, I don't know. I can't do it.
What's your dream in your life?
Is to open my own flying school here in Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yes.
Best
Inshallah.
of luck.
Inshallah, definitely.
Thank you so much. Very nice to talk to you. Enjoy your day.
You too. Jazakallah. Thank
Thank
you
you so
very
much.